to start day trading as a complete beginner. I'm gonna give you the step-by-step guide that every beginner should follow if they want to become profitable traders. So let's get into this video. What is day trading? Day trading is the action of buying and selling financial instruments such as stocks or currencies with the purpose of making a profit. What tools do you need to start trading? You just need a laptop or a cell phone, Wi-Fi connection, trading view, broker, and a trading platform. A broker is basically the bank that is going to be the middleman where you make transactions, where you take a buy or you take a sell. You're going to be using their trading platform for you to execute every single trade you need to execute. What strategy do you need? You could use the scalping strategy, which is basically a strategy that is measured within 3 to 5 minutes time frame, or a day trading strategy, which is the one I use, it's used within a 15-minute time frame to a 1 hour time frame. Or you can use a swing trading strategy, such a 4-hour time frame or a daily time frame, depending on whatever you feel more comfortable with and whatever you find your edge in the market with. So here are a few strategies that could potentially work for every single one of these strategies. It could be the breakout strategy, Fibonacci strategy, or the support and resistance or supply and demand for IC traders. Let's keep it going. Another thing that you need, and it's very, very crucial and overlooked by a lot of traders, especially the ones just starting out, is understanding risk management. Here's the most important thing. You need to have a plan to protect your capital. You need to have a plan to protect your capital. Set your stop loss orders. Always set a stop loss order automatically before to exit a trade when it doesn't go the way you were predicted it. Never risk more than what you can afford. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Day trading can be very, very, very risky, and it's crucial to be prepared. Do not trade with emotions. Stay disciplined. Trading with emotions may result in problems like overtrading, revenge trading, or FOMO, fear of missing out. You don't want to deal with that because you want to be a profitable trader. So let's get into this. Another thing that I would suggest you to do is practice with a simulator until you become profitable, because you don't want to be risking your own capital. Open a live trading account after you feel comfortable trading with a simulator funds. What do I mean by this? Try to flip $1,000 into at least 50% of that balance, and then once you do that consistently for a couple of weeks, then you know that you are ready to start opening a live trading account and start trading with your own funds, because the least thing I want you to do is to lose your money without knowing what you're doing. So this is the best way to start if you are a complete beginner. Start with a simulated account with simulated funds, which is a demo account, and become profitable on a demo account. Once you become profitable with a demo account, then jump into a live trading account, and I promise you, your journey will be so much easier this way. I'm gonna give you some bonus tips for you beginner trader. Stay informed of news. You have to, this is very, very crucial to stay informed of news. Keep a trading journal. Keep a trading journal to track your progress and mistakes. Join a community of traders to share your knowledge and also learn from other traders. Get a mentor. Get somebody that is going to be guiding you through your journey. You want somebody that is going to be teaching you everything they have already accomplished. The same thing that you want accomplished, choose the guidance of somebody who have already accomplished what you want to accomplish. This would be the fastest way to success in trading, realistically and respectfully. If you want to learn my strategy, the one I use every single day in the market, and the ones my students are using as well, and they're making a ton of money, where they get results like this, and also like this, and here's a couple more. Or here's a big screen of a lot of results of my students taking a lot of wins? Yes, this is very possible. And they do it every single day. Which is why I created Day Trading Academy, where I teach people with zero knowledge in day trading, and then I help them become confident and profitable traders. I took them from not knowing what trading was in the first place to make them profitable traders in their first month. Yes, you heard it right, in the first month. So what is Day Trading Academy? Day Trading Academy will have a proven strategy that works. A strategy that you can use every single day in the markets, that we use every single day. You will also get educational courses. These are going to be your fundamentals and your base in trading. You're going to know the basics and your fundamentals to have the best knowledge, educational possible for you to become a profitable trader and understand everything such as technical analysis, psychology, risk management, profitability, etc., etc. You are going to be having access to live trade with me every single day in the market. Every single day I jump into the market with my students, I share my screen with them, and then I explain to them my pre-market analysis, and then I tell them I'm going to take a buy after the price gets to this point, or then I'm going to take a sell after these blows are broken, whatever the case may be. I guide you through it, and then I live trade with you in the real time. So I'm not going to just give you a course and then just you're on your own. I'm going to be guiding you. I'm going to be your guidance. And then I also offer weekly classes every single week with my students. So if you are a complete beginner and there's something, which it happens, there's something that you just don't understand, you can just reach out to me. And then on the weekly classes, weekly coaching classes, then I make sure to answer all of your guys' questions. And then I also teach you something new that I see that it can potentially help you become a more profitable trader. For example, let's take Kevin as an example. He is a Day Trading Academy member. He made $500 in his first week as a complete beginner. Now he's on his way to start making $2,000 a month. He started off with $300 only. So imagine you just make an investment of $300 and then you flip your account and then consistently making profits of $2,000 per month. Of the first month of joining Day Trading Academy, taking the trades I take, with the pre-market analysis I gave you, with the weekly coaching classes answering all of your doubts, and with all of the educational courses that I have. That's how he did it. Let's take another example, such as Daisy. She's another Day Trading Academy member. She has made hundreds and hundreds of dollars in his first month as well, and also started with zero knowledge. Now she's capable to make her own analysis and trades by herself. This is how powerful this is. Let's take another example, such as Alex. He took a $5,000 account and then he flipped it to $10,000 in his first month of joining. Now he's on his way to making 6 figures a year using day trading. Does it make sense? It does to me. So how does this work? By learning the high income skill of day trading with the same strategy that we use in Day Trading Academy, we do this repeatedly every single day. We open the pre-market analysis at 8:15. We trade at 8:30 a.m. when New York session opens, and by 9 a.m. we are already done for the day. Simple. 45 minutes of work, 15 minutes of pre-market analysis, 15 minutes of trading, 15 minutes just to let the trade run. We're done for the day by 9 a.m. Oh yeah, of course, these are Chicago time zones. These are not Miami time zones. These are Chicago time zones. How did my students benefit from Day Trading Academy? I'm going to explain to you why. The truth, they went from not knowing what trading was in the first place. They joined Day Trading Academy, and then I started mentoring them. They watched all of the educational courses. They got their base, they got their fundamentals, their foundation, and then they attended our weekly coaching classes in which I answered all of their single doubts, all of their doubts and questions that they had. That's where you ask them, and that's where I come in, and then I help you understand in the very best simple way. And then they attended our daily live training sessions every single morning in real time with me. And then they started to get more practice and more practice and more practice, then which eventually turned into knowledge. And that's when you do that repeatedly, consistently, every single day, that's how you become profitable. So, Day Trading Academy, if you want to join, I'm going to give you a link. It's going to be in the description down below. This is going to be used for my free Telegram group chat. If you really want to join Day Trading Academy, I'm not going to give you the link here. I'm going to put it in the free Telegram group chat. So if you want to join, go to the Telegram group chat. I'm going to leave it in there, and then I'll give you a special offer, because remember, I'm only accepting 25 members more. After I close 25 members, that's it. I'm not going to open it for the rest of the year. So you must take action now. I see you in there.